In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your friend list private on Facebook. For some reason, you want to hide your friend list on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Continue to tap on settings. You will land onto an interface like this. Proceed to tap on privacy checkup. You have a bunch of menus under privacy checkup. In this case, I'm going to select who can see what you share. Then continue to tap on continue. Then you will drop onto an interface like this. Scroll down until you see who can see your friend list on your profile under friends and followings. Beside it, you will see a menu. Continue to tap on it. So you have a list of options to choose among the audience you want them to see your friend list. You can make it public. You can choose friends. You can choose friends accept. In this case, since I want to hide it and make it private, I'll proceed to toggle on only me. Congratulations, you have successfully made your friend list on Facebook private. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.